We'll let Sean get to it there. Obviously, more to come from Saints camp. Let's go over now to meteorologist Gard with the latest on this tropical depression.
Yeah, we're giving you the first alert because we just saw this tropical depression form. That was of the latest advisory at 9 a.m. It's in the Caribbean right now, but the next name on the list is Rafael, and we're likely going to see that here shortly. The track for this system does lead into the Gulf of Mexico. So we're giving you the latest on this. This is the newest track for the system. It was a potential tropical cyclone, now tropical depression 18. We do expect this to become tropical storm Rafael by tomorrow morning. Then it quickly strengthens into a hurricane by Wednesday morning and continues into the Gulf of Mexico as a hurricane. But you can see as it gets closer, we do see a downgrade to a tropical storm. That's mainly because of environmental conditions. And it's very wide at the end of the cone here. We could see a track more northward or a meandering into the central Gulf of Mexico. So there is a lot of uncertainty in the long term with this system. The extended forecast, that would be by the weekend, though, that we're looking at impacts here. Right now, though, it is just a tropical depression. You can see it has a lot of convection. We're starting to see it become a little bit more explosive around the center there, but it's moving over very warm waters. So we will see that strengthening to a tropical storm. Tropical storm warnings in effect for Jamaica. We have hurricane warnings for the Cayman Islands. Parts of Cuba also have tropical storm watch and that hurricane watch as we're expecting to see the system move over parts of the islands. You can see how warm the ocean heat content is here in the Caribbean. That's why we're going to get that strengthening. But then as it moves into the Gulf of Mexico, much cooler water, especially compared to the Caribbean. So that's going to help us out to weaken this storm. But also we have really intense wind shear. That's these kind of purple colors because of low pressure systems that are tracking across the Rockies over the plains as we head into the end of this week. That will also help to kind of weaken the system. You can see the spaghetti models. Some of them kind of meander to the west, some go to the north. All of them, though, are seeing a weakening system that could very quickly fall apart as it gets close to us because of that wall of shear. So that's going to help us out. Right now, though, we'll watch for the chance that we see a tropical storm as it gets into the northern Gulf. But I do expect the shear and the cool water temperatures to really help us out with this system. You can see on water vapor, we have this big spin that's low pressure. It's brought severe weather across the plains over the past couple of days. That moves up to the north. Here's the second one coming that brings us the wind shear, but it's being steered around this high pressure. So that's why we kind of see it get trapped as this low comes by, but that wind shear will help us out. It is somewhat rare to see hurricanes in the Gulf in November. The most recent was Ada in 2020. The strongest was Kate, that was in 1985. And then the closest to us was Ida, that was in 2009. So it is fairly unusual, but we'll keep watching this closely. As we head into the end of this week, it's going to be a changing forecast. Right now, seeing sunshine out there. We do have a couple of showers, though, so you could see some sprinkles across the area. Really quick, short-lived showers. That's going to be true tomorrow as well, but our temperatures still very warm. We're in the low to mid 80s for many of us. It feels really humid out there with this persistent southeasterly flow heading into this very strong low pressure system. You can see some tornado warnings in Oklahoma right now. We have snow that's going to impact parts of the Rockies behind there, and the fall is all trapped over to the west of us because of that high pressure that is over the southeastern U.S. But because of that strong low pressure system, we're going to see these persistent southeasterly winds that are up to 30 miles per hour offshore. So we have a coastal flood advisory in effect for most of our shorelines. That's going to be for the next few tide cycles as we continue to see that wind. Over the next 12 hours, we'll see a couple of showers. We'll have the sun peeking through at times, pretty warm. We get into the 70s in the evening, but we're nearing record highs for tomorrow and Wednesday. 86, that would tie the record both days. Our average this time of year is 74, so we are 10 or more degrees above where we're supposed to be for the time of year. Really not feeling those fall conditions at all. And with that humid breeze, we're going to continue to see some showers each day. Tomorrow for election day, a little bit of cloud cover. We'll see the sun peeking through. We could see a shower or two, though. And then Wednesday, it does look like we have a better chance to see some more widespread showers and storms, but it's going to be pretty much the same thing each day. Even with that system approaching, I think a lot of that rainfall is going to kind of stay away from us. But it's something to watch for. If we see that fall apart, what does it do in the long term? We'll keep watching for you guys. But I do think the temperatures may be dropping into Friday, Saturday as that low approaches us. But it's something to watch as we go throughout the rest of this week. Back to you.
Thanks so much, Hannah. I know just a small tropical depression. Hopefully things will change come this weekend, but a major Cat 5 change in the Saints front office. That's for sure.